Hello everyone, today I will show you how to move between worksheets in Excel. This file contains monthly sales data for 4 consecutive years. There are 48 sheets in this file, so manually navigating between them would take a lot of time. I will show you 3 fastest ways to speed up the process and save time. The first way is to go to View tab and click on Navigation. This navigation pane appears and shows the list of all the sheets I have in this file. Let's imagine I want to check January sales for all years. I write January in the search box here, and Excel narrows down all the sheets I'm looking for. When I click on January 2022, Excel takes me to January 2022 sheet. When I click on January 2024, Excel takes me to that sheet. This method is very useful if you are working on a big Excel file. Now let's look at the second way. The second way is to right click between these two arrow signs in the left down corner. If I right click here, this vertical window appears and it shows the list of all the sheets I have in this file. From here, I can choose any worksheet I want to use. I double click on it and Excel takes me to that worksheet. Now let's look at the last way. The last way is to use keyboard shortcuts. I press and hold Ctrl button on the keyboard and click on page up and page down. If I click on page down, Excel takes me to the next sheet. If I click on page up, Excel takes me to the previous sheet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.